Welcome to AccountingProlk. Today we're starting a brand new series called Accounting for Daily Life. Accounting is not just for companies, it's for everyone. Whether you're a student, a family person, or running a small business, accounting is in your day-to-day life. What is accounting? Accounting simply means keeping track of your money. Money coming in, money going out, and money you owe or own. The goal is to understand how financially healthy you are. Why accounting matters in everyday life. You may not realize it, but you already use accounting every day. When you buy groceries, when you pay your mobile bill, when you calculate your monthly salary, when you take a loan, when you save money, all these are accounting activities. Explain. Without proper accounting, most people don't know where their money goes. At the end of the month, salary is gone, but no idea how. Common financial mistakes. Most people make simple mistakes that cost them money. List with examples: not recording expenses, mixing personal and other expenses, not budgeting, not planning for emergencies, borrowing without tracking. How accounting helps you in daily life. Accounting gives you control over your money. You can make better decisions such as how much to save, how much to spend, how much to invest, whether you can afford a loan, whether your monthly income is enough. Once you start tracking your money, you will feel more confident and stress-free. Real-life, simple examples. Example 1. Petrol expense. If you spend 2,000 rupees every time you pump petrol and do it 10 times a month, that's 20,000 rupees. Accounting helps you see this clearly. Example 2. Credit card bill. When you buy things on credit, that is not expense yet. It becomes a liability until paid. Example 3. Saving for a phone, saving rupees. 5,000 monthly helps you buy a 60,000 rupee phone in 1 year. So this is the foundation of accounting in daily life. In the next videos, I'll teach you how to track expenses, create a budget, manage personal loans, calculate savings, and use Google Sheets for daily accounting. Subscribe for the complete course.